Let us pay our respects to Patanjali Maharshi. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Munina Patanjalim Pranjalim Anatosmi Nityam Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. My humble pranams to all Atma Jyotis, divine light of the sun. I welcome all of you to today's session of Patanjali Yoga Sutra. I am not a Pandita, I am not a Jnani, I am not a Guru. I am just a seeker, sadhaka, student. I am conducting this study hour as a means for my learning. I am referring few books, making notes, and making it available to you. If there is any mistake in my understanding, please forgive me. We are studying Patanjali Yoga Sutra in the light of Vyasa Bhashya. We are studying chapter 1. We have studied up to Sutra number 49. Now, we are in this session, we are going to study Patanjali Yoga Sutra, chapter 1, Sutra number 50. Tajjaha samskaro anya samskara pratibandhi. Tajjaha samskaro anya samskara pratibandhi. Tajjaha samskaro anya samskara pratibandhi. This is the sutra. Tajjaha, tatjaha. Born from that. From what? From the samadhi. Samadhi. Which samadhi? The samadhi prajna which we talked about. The Ritambara prajna. The samadhi, nirvichara samadhi, which gives rise to Ritambara prajna. From that prajna, samadhi prajna, a samskara arises. Samskara means an understanding, an impression, a vasana is formed. A latent impression, samskara is formed. That samskara will root out all the previous samskaras which are there in the Vyuthana state. Vyuthana state means Vyuthana. Normal in our waking state, we have so much impurities in our mind. That mind, that samskaras, by continuous practice of meditation, one gets into samadhi, and in that samadhi, slowly it becomes Ritambara prajna, and that Ritambara prajna, that samadhi prajna, removes all the impurities, samskaras of the impure mind, of the Vyuthana state, a normal waking state. Let us see what is the Vyasa Bhashya for this. The samskaras born out of the samadhi prajna will make the samskaras of the Vyuthana state, the normal waking state, ineffective. when the samskaras of the vyuthana state are subjugated, they fail to generate new thought patterns, the impure thought patterns. Because even in waking state, samadhi means close and do the meditation. And in the waking state, the samskaras fail to generate impure thoughts. Therefore, the state of samadhi will be established even in a normal, open-eyed waking state also. So, that's Ratambara Prajna continues. And from that Ratambara Prajna, good samadhi samskaras, good samskaras are formed. New samskaras which are good are formed. So, samadhi helps in eliminating the earlier impure thoughts and replacing them with good samadhi samskaras. So, Vyasa Bhashya raises an objection. He only raises objection, he only answers that. He says, how can we say that the samadhi samskaras do not generate pleasure seeking thoughts? Bhoga vritti, why it will not generate? He says it will not generate because the samadhi samskaras will eliminate the incorrect understanding of life. Avidya is removed. The different kleshas we talked about, avidya and other kleshas, they are removed by the Ritambara Prajna. Therefore, the person will not be pleasure seeking anymore. He will not be running after sensory pleasures. Why? Because we discussed in the earlier sutras also, the mind running after sensory pleasure happens only up to viveka khyati only. Beyond that, the samadhi eliminates the running after sensory pleasures and going into troubles. So this is Vyasa Bhashya for Sutra number 50. Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.